Jamaica's national budget is now $1.3 trillion. A new catastrophe bond that will cover us for 4 hurricane seasons, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Although, Madam Speaker, this is a measure that emerges from trade-related matters, it will mean the opportunity to provide more affordable imported raw foodstuff to Jamaican consumers. In the Ministry of Health, we've been able to work with Minister Tufton, and we created 1,600 posts, significant boost to the healthcare system. It will allow Jamaicans who have lost their jobs to, on a temporary basis, receive a stipend from the government, calculated on a basis that is referred to their previous income and a caps. The government plans to tap $5 billion from our disaster risk financing resources to address the immediate relief and recovery efforts related to Hurricane Beryl. As soon as we sign this arrangement with JICA, we want to move on the very first element, which would be terms that triggers in the event of a natural disaster.
Effective today, the 21st of August, the bank has reduced its policy rate by 25 basis points to 6.75%.
Today, I'm happy to be launching or participating in the launch of the reverse income tax credit. It is incumbent upon us to ensure that the material gathered in the public hearings during the life of the FinSAC Commission are available to the public for edification, scrutiny, academic research, and most importantly, to ensure that we do not traverse this path again.
There is no doubt that Nigel is a special resource for Jamaica.
And I thank Prime Minister Holness for the opportunity. It has been a wonderful journey, and we have accomplished a lot with the parliamentary and the cabinet team together.
The Honourable Favour Williams, MP, will assume duties as Minister of Finance and the Public Service.
I am committed to the continued pursuit of fiscal prudence and creative solutions. I will seek to collaborate with industry leaders civil society, and most importantly, the citizens we serve.